Well, time now for another look at the forecast. 4029 meteorologist Robert Suhr with us tonight. And Robert, should be a nice President's Day, as you're saying, but you're talking a little more clouds and big changes after that. So what are we looking at as we head deeper into the week?
I wish I had the rest of the show to break down everything that's coming this week, but unfortunately I don't, so we got to jump right into it tonight. We do have some big changes on the way, but overall your President's Day will be a nice day out there. We'll take you out to Fayetteville today, where it was another above average day out there. 67 today, nice and warm. 14 degrees above average day. Look at this time last year, waking up to a temperature of 7 degrees. Oof, oof, oof. Fort Smith all lit up out there. 70 degrees today in Fort Smith, 12 degrees above your average, which is 58 for this time of the year. Now, in northwest Arkansas, temperatures mostly in the lower to mid 50s out there, but a few upper 50s still hanging on. You can see there West Fork's at 58, Lincoln's at 58 right now, but already down to 50 in Rogers and in Gravette. River Valley mostly in the mid to upper 50s as well. And temperatures really aren't going to go very far tonight. Now, we are watching for severe weather to pop up late tomorrow night into early Tuesday ahead of a cold front. Once that front moves through, much colder air will take hold for the rest of the week, and that colder air is going to set the stage for some icing potential with freezing rain and sleet moving into the area. So as we take you hour by hour here, you can see our wind streams really going south to north there, bringing in that warmer air. Not bad waking up tomorrow morning, mid to upper 40s, lower 50s out there. A very pleasant morning. Then we see those clouds on the increase. By Monday evening, a couple of stray showers out there. And then the main show gets in here, as I said, toward midnight. That's when we're starting to see widespread heavier rain and thunderstorms across the area as that front crosses the area. But by 7, 8, 9 Tuesday morning, most of the activity should be pressing off to the east. Then we start to turn our attention to the wintry aspect. Temperatures will fall dramatically behind the front. Look at Wednesday morning here, in the 20s and 30s here. These are surface temperatures, but it will be warmer the higher up in the atmosphere you go, and that will set the stage for a mess of precipitation. Sleet and freezing rain and maybe plain rain across far southeastern sections. And this sleet and freezing rain could come down heavy at times potentially throughout the day on Wednesday. And this is just the first wave. We'll get a second push of moisture in here as we get into Thursday. In terms of the severe weather aspect, we're talking about scattered severe storms for most of the area. Northwest Benton County, McDonald County, Missouri, isolated severe storms tomorrow night and into Tuesday. Then the probability of greater than 1/4 of an inch of liquid equivalent to that sleet and snow is growing. That's not good. I would expect this to jump up into the 50% range as we get toward tomorrow or so. Confidence is pretty high in freezing rain and sleet, definite travel impacts with those slick roads, but the silver lining is accumulating snow looks to be low right now. I'd rather see the accumulating snow. I think most of us would, instead of the freezing rain and sleet out there. Lows tonight mostly in the lower to mid 40s, a very mild night out there. And then highs tomorrow, as I said, jumping up into the upper 60s and lower 70s. We've got severe days Monday, Wednesday, and Thursday for the mess of weather out there. Remember, the severe day tomorrow is tomorrow evening and night. And then we get that wintry mess coming in here. We're still ironing out the exact details. Who will see the sleet? Who will see the freezing rain? How much of it could pile up and what that means. But Paul, definitely travel impacts out there. Ice is the worst. We really don't want it. I'd rather see a foot of snow than a 1/2 inch of ice.
Yep, we all would. Robert, thanks for getting us ready.